Well, there you go. Are you going to eat the millipede? Hi there. Look at how big he's getting.
Millipede.
Did he eat it?
No.
Well, here, get over here next to her. Come on, get over here so I can get you on videotape. There you go. Look at you, cute little guy. Do not fly back up on my camera.
There are no anything.
Well, then give him a blueberry.
There's no way to give him a worm.
Well, if there had been. Eat the blueberry, you little bugaboo. Oh, that one too. Yeah. Oh, that was a big one, huh? Was that a big blueberry? Yes. I think you're finding your own food now, aren't you? He says, wait, you're teasing me with it. See what a big blueberry robin you've gotten today? Okay. Gonna say bye-bye? Are we going to have to find some more worms for you? Look at you're getting to be a very big robin. Oh, I love it when you poop on video. There you go. I know, is there no more in there? There was a bug, but she handed it to you and you did not take it. Go find your own food. How you doing there, bug? Aren't you a pretty boy?